Okay, Regents Exam 1, question number 9. Which expression is equivalent to y to the fourth minus 100? So, since y to the fourth, the exponent is even, this is a perfect square, and 100 is also a perfect square. So this is actually difference of perfect squares. So we have a plus, we have a minus, so 1 or 2 look good, 3 and 4 do not. Because the signs are going to be different, it's difference of perfect squares. So then we just take the square root of 100. The square root of 100 is actually 10. 50 times 50 would be 2,500. So we're taking the square root, not dividing by 2. And therefore, our answer is choice number 1. Now, it is very possible that you might forget that. But if you've got a graphing calculator, you own this question. Home screen, new document, say no to drugs, and add a graph page. Now, the first thing we're going to graph, I'm not going to use the variable y because I'm in the calculator. So I'm going to say x to the fourth minus 100 because our calculator uses f of x. So I use the to key. To the fourth power. Now, remember, when I'm in the exponent, I have to arrow to the right to get back to the baseline. I'm in the exponent right now. And then I put minus 100 and press enter. Menu, window zoom, and I want to just zoom fit to get it to be something that I can recognize. So you see kind of what this graph looks like, right? Now I press the tab key and I graph my answers. And the one I'm going to graph is the one that we know, right? X plus 10, don't forget your squared key, times x squared minus 10. When I graph it, I get the same exact graph as what I had with the original. That tells me that I'm definitely correct. And see, when I toggle here, by turning that graph off and on, I see that it's the right answer. Now, notice any other number I put in there, like those 250s, if I had to try all 4 answers, would give me something totally different. These two graphs are nowhere near the same, so I know that either one of those would be a wrong answer. And that's how I verify using my graphing calculator that the first choice is the correct choice.